Hello, you can see here I got a invitation to join a family group for Google One Pro family subscriptions here. If I accept the family subscription here and join family, you can see cannot join to family group. It's look like you are not from the same country, but the invitation mail is here. I have invited this. You can see this email cannot join with same problem, and this is my Gmail here. Then if you check, this is my current Gmail. This is have same problem here. So if you see here, I cannot join my to the family, but I am from same country. This problem happened from your payment profile. It's you need to see your payment profile. Let's click on manage account, wallet and subscription, then click on manage payment method. Then you need to verify. Okay, after verifying, you can see here is no payment method, but if you go on settings, you can see the address here. It's showing the United States. That's why we cannot join to the family group. So we need to close our payment profile. It will ask for verification. Then select any region. And your payment profile has been deleted. You need to check one more time if there is another payment profile. Check it. Yes, you have another payment profile on it. Then click on setting and close your payment profile again. Yes, now we have deleted our payment profile successfully. Then here we will click and refresh, and if we click on join family, review family group, you can see now I am the family member here, and you can see I am enjoying the pro subscription.